hayi njalo ayijike uma yayi isinje. Alright, yabona bafethu, this thing is simple, ne? This thing is very simple. Yabona ngoba ngibelesele isimo somsamu wakho. It's because I'm telling you the truth, bro. I'm telling you the truth. People don't like to hear the truth because they know what's been zini. Uyabona yonke inhlanhla oyifunayo isemsamo wakho. Zonke impendulo zakho zakini zisemsamo wakho. All the unanswered questions you have, you can ask them emsamo wakho. Yabona bafo, yebo Nkosi, yonke into odinga ukuyazi ihamba nomnombo wakho, your bloodline. Your bloodline. You will always hear me saying umtsinzi wokuyimilela, umsuka wakho, umsuka womsebenzi wakho, umphathi womsebenzi wakho, abanikazi besibaya, abavikeli besibaya, abavikeli bekhaya. Yazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani manje? Yazi ukuthi these are all different categories. Abalungiseleli bekhaya, abakhi bekhaya, abantu abaletha isivikelo ekhaya, abantu abakhanyisa ekhaya, abantu abakhulisa ekhaya. Bro, it's very important to know your role ekhaya. Ngisho sumoshile, there is a way to fix it. And leyo ndlela isemsamo wakho. Yayizwa lento ngisho. Many people do it every day, but you don't realize that you are doing it. You guys, yazi bafethu, you guys touch izinto zomsamo almost every day, but you don't realize you are doing it. A simple thing. Hayi ngani yabani phasile, hayi sihlaba inkukhu, hayi sibonge, hayi siyabonga, hayi ini wenze ini, hayi siyabonga nani, ayiyabheda la ekhaya, hayi sizocela nje bafethu, siyacela ongenani ke kube noma ingane eyodwa ke ezosebenza sikwazi ukuphila ke, siyacela, hawu siyazi sinamaphutha, awu siyacela ini. You are doing it every day, bruh. You are speaking to someone every day, but somehow you don't think umsamle lutindai. Bafethu, I can only go so far. Ezinye izinto I only do it nabantwana bami. Can only go so far. Alright? Okunye, you must do it yourself. If you can't do it, then we can talk. Right? Think about it. Ingane iyaphuma la ekhaya iyakuvela, kumele siyobazisa ekhaya emsamo. Ingane isiyabuya isizobuya, kumele senze umsebenzi nani, kumele sibazise emsamo. Hayi kumele inani sibazise emsamo. Ingane iyalotshola, kumele sibazise emsamo. Ingane ifuna ukuyolobola, kumele sibazise emsamo. Ingane ifuna ukuyovula umuzi omusha, kumele sibazise emsamo. Ingane ifuna isizele ingane entsha, siyabazisa emsamo. Ingane kuba abakuboka ababayo bafuna ukuzoyilanda, kumele sibazise emsamo. Kanti anibonini? Come on bafethu, come on bafethu. Hayi niphile njalo niyazo. Danko.